What's good, YouTube? It's your boy gavofpairanormal. Today we're working on a pair of Air Jordan 1 highs from my boy B Daht. Many of you may know him as the sixth man of UNC basketball, but yeah, that's what we're working on today. So stick through the video, watch me customize it as well as take them to him. So without further ado,
into the paranormal.
Okay, so off camera, as always, we did our prep work, which included acetone in the shoe, using my detail sander to sand down the shoe, and now we're coming in with the gray base coat to set us up for all the paint that'll be coming later on the shoe. Alright, so now that the base coat is laid down, we're going to come in with this Carolina blue on each of the sections, starting with the middle. Now we're going to work our way to the heel, and we're going to finish up at the toe of the shoe. The Carolina blue is completed, so now we're going to move to the navy blue, starting here with the upper. And we're going to hit the swoosh on the medial side of this custom.
hey, just popping in real quick to remind you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now the video is going to turn up a little bit, where we're going to go step by step laying down on logos on each shoe. So let's get back into it and let me know what you think.
Alright, so now as I stated, things are about to really turn up in this video. We're going to be laying down a multi-layer stencil. And shout out to Dylan over at the Jesus Custom Footwear. He made an in-depth video on his channel of how to do this process. And I will say, although I've been doing this before, his step-by-step guide made this a whole lot easier for me. So shout out to him. Go check him out, a fellow customizer. And yeah, as you can see, I'm putting down the base stencil. Alright, so now we're going to move the inside of this stencil and spray in first the white paint. Alright, so now we're going to lay in the first section of the stencil. And now we got to airbrush in the Carolina blue paint. Alright, so we remove the stencil parts that we just put in. We put in these new pieces, and now we're going to airbrush in the navy blue. Alright, we're going to follow the same steps as before, but this time we're going to airbrush in the gray paint. Alright, so now we're going to remove all the stencil pieces for this logo and do any touch-ups that we need to do off camera. And for this logo here, which is B Daht's six-man logo, we're going to follow the same steps. I'm going to let you guys watch this, and I'll be back shortly. Alright, so now that the two main logos are completed, we're going to add a little depth to the shoe. First starting with the NC logos covering their entire front of this custom. I'm going to move around to the heel with kind of like an elephant print, but it's going to be a little overlap, so you know, it still kind of gives a good pop. All right, so we did everything we need to do to get this shoe completed. Now we're going to take them to B Daht. All right, so I'm on the way to drop the shoes off to my boy B Daht. You know, he had an event over on Duke's campus. Just you know, get back with y'all once we get there. It's the shoes, man.
Finally.
Finally.
This ain't normal.
No.
This paranormal.
There you go, baby.
I'm excited, man.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Oh,
Thank you
yeah.
right there, a little signature for your boy.
Yes, sir.
Tripping. Yo, stop playing with him with the NC.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Hold
Yes,
on.
sir.
Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead, show him the other one. Show him the other one, man. Yes, sir.
6-man teams, you
There you
heard
go.
me?
6 man, let him know.
6-man teams, you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Nah, these is golden, dog.
Yes, sir.
What y'all be doing? Hold on.
There you go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Nah, these clutch games.
Yes, sir.
Super appreciative, man. 6-man, thank you, man. Paranormal right here. I can't wait to rock these. Might rock these Wednesday, first pick.
All right, bro. So, you know, normally I close out my videos with a motivational quote, but I'm gonna just let you give us some type of motivation.
Nah, man, like all I would say is just speaking into existence. Speaking into existence. Whatever it is you want to do, you gotta speak it into existence. And if your dream sound too crazy, then it's the right dream. If your dream sounds attainable, shoot for something else. Real talk, man. And most importantly, write it out. The words say write out your vision and make it clean and plain so that people can see it. That's the most important thing, man. You hold yourself accountable. So if you want to make 6 figures this year, write it out.
Sir.
If you want a new business this year, write it out. You want to be a homeowner this year, write it out. You want to be the 6th man of Carolina basketball, write it out.
Yes, sir.
You want to be different, not just different, but you want to be paranormal, then follow the Instagram account. You dig?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Appreciate it. So that be it, y'all. You know, thank you for sticking through the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.